Good evening, friends. A very warm welcome to all of you here today. We're very excited that we have amongst us today the peer team, which consists of the NAAC, which is a team that has of our colleagues from different universities who have come to assess the progress and what we have achieved at our university so far, and to also offer suggestions on how we can progress in the future. I'm also very excited that we have amongst us today alumni, members of the family, and other friends of Ahmedabad University who have joined us today. To our esteemed guests today, we have for you a performance by students of Ahmedabad University. They are truly excited to be able to perform today in front of all of you and their friends and professors. And without further ado, let me invite Tarini Das and Surya Gubi to compare the show for today. I hope all of you will have a wonderful evening today. Tarini?
Thank you,
Surya.
sir.
Good evening. We extend a warm welcome to the members of the NAC peer team. On behalf of the Ahmedabad University students community, we welcome you all to our cultural performance.
We would like to accord a floral welcome to each of the esteemed peer team members. May we request the volunteer students to welcome the peer team?
Being part of a young university, we get all possible opportunities to experience an excellent teaching learning environment, one that helps us experiment, self-teach, and participate in a host of co-curricular and extracurricular activities. What we are bringing up now is an expression of all this. Let us begin.
भारत संस्कृति निर्झर
भारत नहीं नहीं विंध्य हिमाचल, भारत उन्नत नरवर नरवर, भारत नहीं गंगा नहीं यमुना, भारत संस्कृति निर्झर निर्झर। भारत नहीं नहीं वनगिरि गह्वर, भारत आत्मनि आरत आरत, भारत तप्त गगन केरण नहीं, जीवन धूपज भारत भारत। भारत एकाकी नहीं अवधूत, के चिर निरुद्ध कारा कारा।
भारत जगनी जमात वच्चे,
This was a song written by a renowned Gujarati poet, Uma Shankar Joshi. He is considered as one of the most important literary figures of 20th century Gujarati literature. He wrote songs, sonnets, and also poems in blank verse. He served as the president of Gujarati Sahitya Parishad and also of Sahitya Academy. The credit of giving the most celebrated poems and songs to Gujarat goes to Uma Shankar Joshi.
भारत संस्कृति निर्झर गुजरात के बहुत बड़े कवि उमा शंकर जोशी का ये लिखा हुआ गीत उनकी बाकी सारी कविताओं की तुलना में थोड़ा सा कम प्रचलित है, पर हमें हमारे लोगों के बारे में और हमारी संस्कृति के बारे में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें बताता है.
Coming up now is a composition written and musically arranged by Pandit Ravi Shankar. It was produced in an album called Chants of India in 1997. This particular composition in the album is especially unique to Pandit Ravi Shankar, having drawn an inspiration from hymns and mantras from the Upanishads. Himself penned down the text and set it to music thereafter.
भारत रत्न पंडित रविशंकर के संगीत में निबद्ध प्रकृति के सभी रूप स्वरूप की मंगल की कामना करती है ये प्रार्थना. भूमि मंगलम.
उदकमंगलम
मंगलम
अग्निमंगलम
अग्निमंगलम
वायुमंगलम
वायुमंगलम
गगनमंगलम
गगनमंगलम
सूर्यमंगलम
सूर्यमंगलम
चंद्रमंगलम
चंद्रमंगलम
जगत्मंगलम
गगनमंगलम
जीवमंगलम
जीवमंगलम
देहमंगलम
देहमंगलम
मनोमंगलम
मनोमंगलम
आत्ममंगलम
आत्ममंगलम
सर्वमंगलम
भवतु भवतु भवतु
सर्वमंगलम
भवतु भवतु भवतु
सर्वमंगलम
भवतु भवतु भवतु.
The bhajan we are going to present now was written by the famous 15th century Gujarati Bhakti poet named Narsi Mehta. He is also known as Narsi Bhagat. Over the time, the bhajan Vaishnava Janato became a regular part of Mahatma Gandhi's daily puja. It is therefore known as one of his most favorite bhajans.
ये भजन 15वीं सदी में गुजराती भक्ति साहित्य के श्रेष्ठ कवि नरसी मेहता द्वारा गुजराती भाषा में लिखा गया है. कवि नरसी मेहता को गुजरात में नरसी भगत के भी नाम से जाना जाता है. समय के चलते वैष्णव जन भजन महात्मा गांधी की दैनिक पूजा का हिस्सा होने के कारण उनके सबसे प्रिय भजनों में से भी एक माना जाता है.
It is going to be coupled up with a well-known poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, written by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. It was originally composed in Bengali with the title Prarthana, meaning prayer. It was translated by Rabindranath Tagore himself and was included with 15 other poems of Naivedya in the English version of the Gitanjali. We are bringing to you a meeting between the East and West, Rabindranath Tagore and Narsi Mehta.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे
पीड़ पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान ना आणे
सकल लोक सहुने वंदे
निंदा न करे केणी रे
वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेरी रे वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेरी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth.
समदृष्टि ने तृष्णा त्यागे
पर स्त्री जने मात रे
जिह्वार्थ के असत्य न बोले पर धन नव झाले हाथ रे जिह्वार्थ के असत्य न बोले पर धन नव झाले हाथ रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे
Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let us awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let us awake.
Truly, what binds India together is our music and dance. Such a rich cultural repertoire it is. They say the origins of Indian music traditions date back to the sacred Vedic times, where chants, Samgan, and mantra part developed a system of musical notes and rhythmic cycles, rag and tal.
अपनी शास्त्रीय संगीत परंपरा में फिर वो हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल हो कि कर्नाटक क्लासिकल, सबसे बड़ा एक पहलू होता है प्रकृति के साथ तालमेल। फिर वो दिन और रात के समय, काल और प्रहर के वक्त गाए जाने वाले विभिन्न राग हों कि खंड में बंधे हुए अलग अलग ताल।
And the ragas that are set under the ambient inspiration of a specific season.
जैसे कि वर्षा ऋतु और राग मल्हार या फिर बसंत।
And Bahar. Bahar, which means spring, is a beautiful rag in the Kafi Thaat. In our next presentation, the performers will bring to you a beautiful rendering set in Rag Bahar. It is going to be followed by a Tillana in the Carnatic classical and a Tarana in the Hindustani classical. a combination that rarely comes together on stage. In the next piece, we are also weaving together another delightful amalgam of two prominent classical dance styles of India, Bharatnatyam and Kathak.
तिलाना और तराना दोनों हमारी शास्त्रीय संगीत परंपरा के अनोखे स्वरूप हैं। संगीत की तो भाषा ही लय और सुर से बनती है। तराना और तिलाना में शब्दों के बदले तबला और मृदंगम पर बजने वाले बोल को स्वर निबद्ध करके गाया जाता है। प्रस्तुत है आपके सामने पहले बंदिश और फिर तिलाना और तराना, राग बहार।
Even the simplest rendering of the notes of Rag Bahar can make one feel the colors of beautiful floral blossoms, the yellow, orange, pink and red blooms of the summer. Here we go.
Sama Pagama Ni Dha Ni Sa Re Ni Sa Ni Pa Pagama Re Sa फूल रहे सरसों सगल बन, फूल रहे सरसों सगल बन, जैसु भूले अम्बुवा भूरे, जैसु भूले अम्बुवा भूरे, गोरी करत श्रृंगार मलनिया, घर वाले आई घर सो सकल बन, फूल रहे सरसों सकल बन, फूल रहे सरसों सकल बन।
एक टुकड़ा, 3 ताल, 16 मात्रा। धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा कि धिन ता धा धिन धिन धा तिट कत गदिगिन धा 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 तीट धा तीट धा धा तीट किड़ धा तीट किड़ धा तीट धा तीट धागे तीगे धुन धुन नागा नागा धुन ना किड़ तक तागे धागे न घेन नडा न धा धिन ता किड़ तक धिन ता कत्ता घे घे धागे घे धागे घे धा कत्ता घे घे धागे घे धागे घे धा कत्ता घे घे धागे घे धागे घे धा।
na 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 tilla na tilla na another theme, another theme, another theme, another theme, da na na tilla na tilla na another theme, another theme, another theme, another.
ताम दीम तरन्न ताम गिनत किट ताम दीम तरन्न ताम गिनत किट ताम दीम तरन्न ताम गिनत किट ताम
తీయని సొగసులూర వయలు కోరిని దయచేరిదిని నీర క్షీర న్యాయమై మై మరచి సకల చరాచర మెల్ల పులకించని మురళి మాధురి
గజోరగబంధ అర్పుతంగ శిరసి చలనం చలనం ధృతనం మిదనం కృదనం మిద చంద్రవదంగణ కంకణ నగనగవదరద దిమి దిమి జుణు జుణుత కతిల్లా నగనగ భూషణ తకిట తగస్త ఠాక బుధకర మందస్ నితకర హర భూషిత పదయుಗಳ హరి జయ విజయీ భవనంద కుమార బ్రజ జన పరమానంద కిశోర కళింగ నటనానంద గంభీర కరుణారసయుగ భావశరీ నమద మధుకర మధుపదరల సమనయన కమలదళ చలన ముని హృదయమపి చోరజా కరా దయా కరా మురారి శ్రీ కరా.
ధీం దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ఓ ధని దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ఓ ధని దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని ధీం దదర ధని నాదర ధన ధీం దదర ధని నాదర ధన ధీం దదర ధని.
Written in the 14th century, the very popular kalam, Chapa Tilak Sab Chini De Mose Naina Milaike. It is regarded as one of the most distinguished Sufi pieces. Isn't it fascinating? This piece was composed almost 700 years ago, and it still holds an appeal for people of India.
तकरीबन 700 साल पहले लिखा गया ये कलाम, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना में लई के, आज भी हम सबके दिल के बहुत ही करीब है. भक्ति योग वो समय कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्रभावशाली था. नानेश्वर, एकनाथ, बुल्ले शाह, नामदेव, सूरदास, मीरा, नानक, अक्का महादेवी, संत जानाबाई, नरसिंह मेहता, तुकाराम और कबीर. कबीर कुआं एक है, पानी भरे अनेक. कबीर कुआं एक है, पानी भरे अनेक. बर्तन ही में भेद है, बर्तन ही में भेद है, पानी सब में एक.
My favorite is Kabir Ji's Bhat, Chadariya, Jeeni Re Jeeni. Such a brilliant thought it is. And how could we miss Damadam Mast Kalandar? With origins dating back 600 years, Damadam Mast Kalandar is a very popular traditional Sindhi Sufi song in the northern Indian subcontinent. Various renditions of the song have been composed and performed by numerous composers and singers over the years.
सूर्या, मुझे तो लगता है अपने देश में कोई ऐसा कलाकार ही नहीं होगा जिन्होंने कम से कम एक बार दमादम मस्त कलंदर ना गाया हो. हर बार जब मैं ये गाना सुनती हूँ उसका असर इतना ज़बरदस्त होता है, उतरने का नाम ही नहीं लेता.
True that. So let's take a dip into the realms of mysticism and experience the charge of devotion for the divine.
हद हद टपे सो लिया, हद हद टपे टपे सो लिया, बेहद टपे सोते, हद अनहद दो टपे सुवा को नाम फकीर कबीरा, सुवा को नाम फकीर।
चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, हे राम नाम रस बीनी। चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, हे राम नाम राम है जी राम नाम रस बीनी। चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, गिरधर नागर, गिरधर नागर, जो कि त्यों रख दीनी। चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, खुसरो निजाम के बलि बलि जय है,
खुसरो निजाम के बलि बलि जय है,
खुसरो निजाम के बलि बलि जय है।
मोहे सुहागन के मेरे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के,
छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के, नैना मिलाई के,
नैना मिलाई के,
नैना मिलाई के,
नैना मिलाई के, सब कुछ मोरा छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के,
छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुँह से नैना मिलाई के।
हिंद सिंध पीड़ा तेरी नौबत बाजे, हिंद सिंध पीड़ा तेरी नौबत बाजे, हिंद सिंध पीड़ा तेरी नौबत बाजे, लाल मेरी बत रखियो भला झूले लालण हो, लाल मेरी बत रखियो भला झूले लालण, सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दास की शाबाज कलंदर हो, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम हम्बे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर हो, लाल मेरी है लाल मेरी, नाल बजे घड़ी याल पला झूले लालण हो, नाल बजे घड़ी याल पला झूले लालण, सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दास की शाबाज कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम हम्बे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम हम्बे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम हम्बे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर हो।
One cannot think about Gujarat without thinking about its very, very popular Garba. It's a perfect emblem of Gujarat's vibrance, passion, and love for dance. Garba is a dance that honors, worships, and celebrates the feminine form of divinity, as well as a celestial masculine charm and energy. It is performed in concentric circles, which depict the circle of life, representing different stages of life, from birth to rebirth. The only thing that is constant is the centricity of the divine, the ever enchanting verb around which the infinite movement revolves.
पर आप लोग गुजरात आए और गरबा के ताल पे ना झूमे, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता। यहाँ के गरबे के उत्साह और ऊर्जा की बात ही कुछ ऐसी है कि हर किसी को नाचने का मन कर जाए। चलिए अंत में देखते हैं ये लोकगीत और लोक नृत्य से भरी रंग बिरंगी प्रस्तुति गुजरात के नाम।
आषाढोचारम मेघमलारम बनिबहारम जलधारम नादूरडकारम मयूरपुकारम तडियातारम विस्तारम नालहि समारम प्यास अपारम धररिहार निर्ख्यारे कहे राधे प्यारी हूँ मलिहारी गोकुड़ आवो गिरधारी रे जी रे गोकुड़ आवो गिरधारी गोकुड़ आवो गिरधारी। केवड़ो तुम्हारी केड़वड़ी जाए नीचे नमो तुम्हारी डोक नमी जाए अरे 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 बाकी बड़ो तुम्हारी केड़वड़ी जाए नीचे नमो तुम्हारी डोक नमी जाए डोक बड़ी जाए केड़ नमी जाए ना रहवाय हाय हाय ओरे छबीली तने शूरे थाय सीधी उभी रे केम बाकी चुकी थाय हालाजी तारा हालाजी तारा हालाजी तारा हाथ वखाणो के पछे तारा पगला वखाणो हालाजी तारा हाथ દે તે ભરી તલાવડીને મોતીડે બાંધી પાળરે ઝીલણ ઝીલવા ગયા તા એ ગરબે ઘૂમવા ગયા તા
ઝીલણ ઝીલવા ગયા તા એ ગરબે રમવા ગયા તા
ઝીલણ
ઝીલવા ગયા તા એ ગરબે રમવા ગયા તા એ ઝીલણ ઝીલવા ગયા તા એ ગરબે રમવા ગયા તા ઝીલણ ઝીલવા ગયા તા એ ગરબે રમવા ગયા તા.
Wow, there we are. Let's give a big round of applause to all the performers one more time. Students of Ahmedabad University, could you please quickly introduce yourself to the esteemed members of the peer team?
Namaste, my name is Supradeep Duri. I'm a BS Honours second year physics major student and I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Namaste, my name is Saryu. I am a fourth year integrated MSc student and I'm from Ahmedabad.
Namaste, I'm Dhruvi. I'm a third year integrated Masters of Science student and I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, I'm Jemima. I'm a second year BA Psychology Honours student and I am from Kerala.
Namaste, I'm Vaishnavi, a second year BA Economics student from Karnataka.
Namaste, my name is Twarit. I am a first year BBA student and I am from Madhya Pradesh.
Namaste, I'm Raj. I am a BTech CSE student, a third year, and I am from Gujarat.
Namaste, I'm Angana. I'm a first year IMS student and I'm from West Bengal.
My name is Vihit. I'm a third year integrated MBA student. I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, my name is Rohan Kumar. I'm from third year BBA Honours and I'm from Kerala.
Namaste, I'm Hitansh. I'm from BBA Honours and I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, this is Aditi Jain, first year BBA student. I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, I'm Sanjana Vishnu Bhatta. I'm a second year BBA Honours student and I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Namaste, I'm Jisha. I'm a second year BA Economics student and I'm from Rajasthan.
Namaste, I'm Purav, third year integrated MS student and I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, I'm Vidhi. I'm in third year BBA and I'm from Daman and Diu.
Namaste, I am Arpit. I am in fourth year mechanical engineering and I am from Gujarat.
Namaste, I am Darshil, third year BBA Honours student and I am from Gujarat.
Namaste, I'm Kevri from third year BBA and I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, I'm Prapti from third year integrated MBA and I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, I am Anshika. I am a third year BBA Honours student and I am from Punjab.
Namaste, my name is Alaukika Mehta. I'm a first year integrated MBA student and I'm from Gujarat.
I'm Dilsa and I'm second year BBA student. I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, my name is Mahira. I'm a third year student of Philosophy, History and Languages and I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, I am Bhavya. I am a first year BBA Honours student and I am from Kerala.
Namaste, I'm Anant. I'm a third year student of Philosophy, History and Languages and I'm from Gujarat.
Namaste, I am Parth from 4th year BTech Mechanical and I am from Gujarat.
As is evident, we have many Indias present here on stage, and together we make what it is. Your host for today, Surya, 3rd year IMS Life Sciences from Karnataka.
And I am Tarini Das, a 3rd year student of Social and Political Sciences from Delhi. And with this, we would like to invite our mentors, Professor Chirag Trivedi and Professor Justin Christie, on the stage.
All the cheers, all the hooting, all the accolades is for them. They've put it together in a very short span of hardly 10 to 12 days with so many changes, a lot of hard work. And I vouch for the kind of creative energy that they all, 30 of them, put together. It was a lot of fun. We have thoroughly enjoyed it. And I can tell you we are a different family now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being such an encouraging audience.
Please stay tuned, just 2 more minutes. Could we request the peer team member to come upon on stage and share with us a few words on the performance?
A very good evening to all of you. Really, it's amazing to see your talents. You already showcased your talent. And also, I see the student diversity here, the students from different states, and they nicely presented their talents here. It's a wonderful thing to be associated with you on this day. Actually, in the part of assessment, we want to see how the students are doing the extracurricular activities, how they are good at cultural activities and other things. So I bless you all that you have performed nicely. Thank you, one and all.
Okay, 1 second. With this, we bring the cultural performance for the evening to a close. Thank you so much for being such an encouraging audience.